Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to find a remote job in Glassdoor. So guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to glassdoor.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you're here, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Glassdoor. But if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where you have plenty of how-to Glassdoor videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Glassdoor website where we have a lot of different options. First of all, we have the community where you can go and post. So you can basically post by clicking on the post button here. You can search for conversations, and here also we have the jobs where you can go and find the jobs for you. So you can find your perfect job, add the location, and you can find the jobs that you want. We have companies where you can find a workplace that works for you. So basically this is a new feature, and if you have an employer in mind, you can search for a company by typing in the name here and searching for it. We have salaries. So are you paid fairly? Find out. You can go and put your job title here, your location, and search for salaries. And in the top right corner, we have your profile, job activity, contributions, settings, help center, and the sign out option. But now guys, let's see how to find a remote job in Glassdoor. Well, it's pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So you go to Glassdoor's homepage. In the search box, enter a job title, keyword or company that you want to search. Enter a location where you'd like to find a job. If you're looking for a remote or work from home job, type remote in the field and then select remote or work from home job. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.